What's up guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can view glossary of trading terms on forex.com. So let's just get started. Firstly, what you have to do is just go to your web browser and search for forex or forex.com like this, and then go to this first link which says Forex Trading Online #1 and all. Just go over there and then it will redirect you to this particular platform, which is forex.com's platform or website. Then all the way top you have this option which says support. Just go over there and then just go a bit down like this, down. So over here you can see this grocery item over here. Just go over here and choose any one of this. So let me just choose A, and then you will be redirected to this particular platform which is about the grocery of trading terms. So this is how you can view all the grocery items, or let's say grocery terms of trading terms. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.